The consumption displayed on the FusionSolar Smart PVMS is different from that displayed on the grid company's system. If the displayed load power is different from the actual value, use the following solution for troubleshooting. Check whether a power meter is connected. If no power meter is connected, it is normal that no load data is displayed. If a power meter is connected but no load data is displayed, take these actions. Check the installation position of the power meter or CT. Ensure that the power meter and CT are installed at the grid connection point and cover all loads. Check the phase sequences of the power meter or CT cable connections. Ensure that the phase sequences are consistent. Check the CT orientation on the power meter. Ensure that it's marked side facing the grid and the opposite side toward the load. Check the CT parameter settings, such as the transformation ratio. Check the RS485 communications cable connection. Check whether the RS485 cable connection between the power meter and the inverter is correct, and whether the cable is loose or disconnected. If the cable connection is incorrect, connect the cable correctly according to the corresponding quick guide. Use a clamp meter to measure data. Compare the current measured by the clamp meter with the current recorded by the power meter or the data shown in the power meter diagram on the local app. Check whether there is any difference. If no exception is found or the power meter is faulty, contact Huawei technical support.